In example 4, we are asked to find the HCF of 42 and 60. Using prime factorization, I'm going to have 42 and 60. 2 is a common factor between 42 and 60. So 2 can divide 42 21 times, and it can divide 60 30 times. So 2 can no longer divide 21 and 60 and 30, while 3 can divide. 3 into 21 is 7 times, 3 into 30 is 10 times. There's no common factor that can divide 7 and 10. So therefore, our HCF is said to be the product of 2 and 3, which is equal to 6. So 6 is said to be the highest common factor of 42 and 60. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. Well, I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next exercise on HCF.